Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look here, which is basically just a very Valentine's Day inspired look. I am definitely going to be single this Valentine's Day as usual, but even if you don't have a man this Valentine's Day, I think every girl should feel beautiful that day anyway. So here's just a little look for you guys. I had so much fun filming this and I hope you guys all find it helpful, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to take this Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden just to kind of get a really nice canvas for my eyeshadow. Just going to go ahead and blend that out here. And then I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, just taking this light brown shade and washing that all over my lid just to kind of set the primer in place and make a nice base again for these shadows to come. And I'm going in with this light brown shade here, and I'm going to put that right in my crease just to kind of start the look going and warm up the crease. Then I'm going in with this shimmery shade on a flat shader brush and just kind of patting that on the lid. And I'm kind of creating like a semi-cut crease, but just not very like neatly. Then I'm taking this really pretty shade here called Love Letter from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash that all over the crease, and that's just really going to warm up the look even further, and I'm really going for that nice pinky red type of look here. I'm going into the same palette with a deeper red kind of color, just putting that in like the inner part of my crease. Then I'm going in with this nice mustard yellow color just to kind of feather out the look, and then taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take that really pretty shimmery kind of pink color and I'm just washing that on the lid, and I had to use my finger because that kind of worked the best. Then I'm going in with foundation. Today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible as well as the Jane Iredale BB cream, and then I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape, of course. And to set that in place, I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder just all under the eyes to set that, and then I'm taking that all over the face to just kind of mattify the foundation that we just laid down. Then I'm taking this Profusion contour palette. I got this at Target and I'm literally obsessed. I use this on the daily. Perfect color for everyday contour. I'm just contouring my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and then I'm going to take it underneath my jaw just to kind of, you know, chisel out that double chin area. Then I'm kind of contouring my nose a little bit here. I usually don't really do this, but I decided to be kind of extra in this video. And then I'm taking my Morphe setting spray, which this stuff is amazing. I always do this right before I do my brows because it just goes on a little easier. Here I'm using the Ka-Brow by Benefit. I'm in shade number 4 in case you were curious. And this is just kind of how I fill in my brows on an everyday basis. Nothing too crazy. I use my e.l.f. brush there. Then going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, taking this pink shade, and I'm going to go ahead and put that underneath my eye here, just to kind of further smoke out the lower lash line and kind of tie the whole look together. Now this part I don't think you guys are ready for. I'm so excited to show you this. So I'm taking this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and I'm not really sure what the shade is, but it's his red color. And I'm basically just going to use this really thin eyeliner brush and create a wing. Now I seriously suck at doing winged eyeliners, so I'm really shocked that I was able to pull this off somewhat. It definitely just like took patience, and I didn't even have to redo it. I'm surprised. And by the way, I'm not really sure if his liquid lipsticks are eye safe, but nothing really happened for me, so I think they're probably fine. Then I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. The lashes that I use today are the Liz lashes in the style called Barely Legal. And then I'm taking the new Bad Gal Bang by Benefit mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and coat the falsies and also do my lower lashes with this. If you guys haven't tried this mascara, by the way, you definitely need to try it. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going in with this Tarte blush palette, and I'm just going to take this really pretty kind of dusty rose color on the end here. Then going in with highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use this ColourPop one in the shade called Flexitarian. Literally the best highlighter I've ever tried. If you guys have not tried it yet, you definitely need to. Then I'm going to go in with this red lip liner from NYX, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips just to kind of prepare it for the red lip that I'm going to be doing, which I am using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I'll have to put the name in here. I'm not really sure what it is. It doesn't have the name on the packaging, unfortunately, but thanks to my girl Anna, if you're watching this, she got me this for Christmas, and I absolutely love this color, and it is the same one, like I said, I used on my eyeliner today, so I thought I'd use it on my lips too to just kind of tie the whole look together. And last but not least, least, I'm going back in with my Morphe setting spray just to really freshen up the look and make my skin look like skin again. But yeah guys, that is actually the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it's just so fitting for Valentine's Day. Even if you're not doing anything that day, like go treat yourself to a movie, go like out with your girlfriends that are also single, you know what I mean? But anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video and found it helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up like always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do put out videos twice a week, and please follow me on all my socials because I am posting on there whenever I am going to upload a new video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.